In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel or flight using Booking.com. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, you'll find that Booking.com offers a seamless and comprehensive booking experience. So, let's dive in and make sure you secure the best possible accommodation for your next trip. First things first, head over to Booking.com using your web browser or simply open the Booking.com app if you have it installed on your device. The app and the website work in a similar fashion, providing you with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Once you've got Booking.com open, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed, inviting you to enter your travel details. Begin by inputting your destination. This could be a city, a specific area, or even an attraction if you're feeling adventurous. Next, specify your check-in and check-out dates, ensuring these align with your travel plans. Don't forget to indicate the number of guests and rooms you require, as this will help tailor the search results to your specific needs. When you're ready, click that search button to proceed. After hitting search, you'll be presented with an array of hotel options. Now, this is where the fun starts, browsing through the selections to find your perfect match. To make things easier, utilize the filter options available. You can refine your search by price, star rating, type of amenities offered, or even the hotel's location relative to your point of interest. This will help narrow down the choices to those that best fit your requirements and preferences. Once you've found a hotel that catches your eye, click on it to delve into more details. This page is your go-to for everything you need to know, from the different room types available and the in-depth cancellation policies to what's included in the price. Make sure to check out the photos and customer reviews too. They can give you a good idea of what to expect during your stay. After deciding on the room type that suits you best, proceed by clicking on Reserve or Book Now. Filling in your personal details such as your name and contact information is the next essential step. This ensures the hotel has all your necessary information for a smooth check-in experience. Now, it's time to choose how you'd like to pay. Some properties offer flexible options, allowing you to pay later or upon arrival, while others might require full payment up front. Be sure to select the option that works best for you. Before finalizing your booking, take a moment to review all the details carefully. Verify your check-in and check-out dates, name, total price including taxes, and any applicable cancellation policies. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your booking. After completing these steps, you'll receive a confirmation email or message containing all your reservation details. Keep this handy for your records and for easy reference during your travels. And there you have it. You've successfully booked a hotel using Booking.com, making your travel plans one step closer to reality. Happy travels, and enjoy your stay.